Welcome back to another video. This is your buddy Crypto Prophet, and before we get started, I just want to make sure everybody knows that I am not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice, and I'm just giving crypto information and explaining my stance on the coin. So we're going to be looking at Theta price. So the Theta price is kind of unbelievable right now. So you see a market is down 6.34%. If you look at any of the losers, you can see that there is a long list with some of the strongest ones on top, like Polkadot or Chainlink. PancakeSwap, you got Dash, the Graph, and Cardano as well up there. But if we go down, it says that 64 assets in Coinbase's list of prices are losers. We only have 4 gainers right now, which is pretty crazy. So we have Theta, Decentraland, Kyber Network, and Uniswap. Decentraland's been on kind of a pretty solid increase recently, so no surprise there. Uniswap is just barely positive, and Theta is the one we're going to be talking about, though. So the top gainer in the last 24 hours is Theta. It's got that 12%. We're going to see if there's anything about Theta that we need to know about. Maybe there's a reason to invest right now, or maybe we should get in while it's hot, or should we wait until it dips down a little bit? So let's look at the 1 hour. So the 1 hour, it's went up 1.15%, nothing crazy. But yeah, that 24-hour period where it goes up 11.96% is something you'd want to be on. So we look at the month as well. We're going to see about 51% increase. I'm sorry, that was the week. And then the month is a 111% increase. In the year overall, you could see a 3,000% increase. So will this train just keep moving? That's a good question. And I'm just going to give you the information to give you guys. I'm going to give you the details basically and let you guys decide for yourself. But you can scroll down here and check the official website. And you'll see that the Theta Mainnet 3.0, introducing T-Fuel staking and uptime mining, is in 47 days, 16 hours, and 36 minutes. You can almost, I wouldn't say you can almost guarantee, but you can you can see that there's probably going to be an increase in the Theta price in 47 days. So if you're looking for something, short term, but you're not doing the day trading yourself, this is not a bad option. So 47 days from now, you can pretty much tell up until that 47 days by following any of the news on Theta if it's going to be as good as they say. If it isn't, you can always back out, but for the most part, you wait till that 48th day and you cash out, or 50th day or so, give it some time. But you can see if you scroll down, you can read a bunch about the Theta website or the Theta token. They are in enterprise validator nodes. They have Google, Sony, Samsung, Binance, Blockchain, and Gummy. So it is a pretty well rounded token. You can read some of their. So March 2nd here, you can click on some of these and see some of their news. So Sony Europe joins Theta blockchain validator program, and that probably had a decent chunk of the reasoning for the. As I kind of click around here and try to get back to where I was at, yeah, it has a decent reason why it did that uptick is because of this announcement. So one thing you can do, and it's not something I suggest, but if you just, scour and look for just news and you get, within a couple minutes of when that news, if it's a big enough news source and it's a large enough pile of information, you can actually get a pretty big chunk of change by just getting in right away after that news launches. So in this case, obviously it caused a 11 to 12% increase. So that's one thing a couple people do. They'll wait for, these news articles to come out and they will jump on it right away and ride that, depending when they get in on the token, they ride that percentage out. So Theta does look a little bit promising. You can wait that 48-day period and see where it takes you. Do your own research, find out what you can. And I would say there's a reason Theta price has gone up while others have gone down. And that's definitely because of the latest news. But check a little bit more into it. See if there's something that, maybe other people don't know. Theta price definitely is going to go up, in my opinion, and that's going to be based on my portfolio. Like I said, no financial advice here, but I could just see it going up myself, and I expect it to go up. So that's going to be all for today's Theta price video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks.